Hello and welcome to the channel. If you want to create a mobile dimension slide for your videos or for anything else, in this video I will guide you on how to do that. But first thing first is to know the dimension, the mobile dimension. And to get that, let's go have a look at photopea.com. Okay, I will go for the new project and that will take me to this interface. I will have to go select the Insta story because this is the dimension we need for the Facebook Reels or YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos. Okay, when you click on that, you could see that we have 1080 by 1920 in pixels, but in order to create this dimension in Microsoft PowerPoint, we need this in centimeters. So I will go select centimeters. Okay, so this is what we need in centimeters, 38.1 by 67.73. Okay, let's go back to Microsoft PowerPoint. Once we're here, go for the design up here, then navigate to slide size and go for custom slide size. Remember, our dimension is 38.1 by 67.73. So I will go highlight everything here except the CM and go for 38.1. And for this, I will go for 67.73, 67.73. Then after that, just leave it as it is right now and go for OK. Then leave it as it is. But here, make sure that the maximize is selected. Automatically, you will see it selected. Then go for maximize. And here we go. To give it a background color, just right click on it and go for format background. Then you can make a choice here. You can go for a solid color. Okay. And then go for any color here. You can go for a gradient fill and then manipulate it here. You can go for a picture or texture fill by clicking on the drop down menu and you will have to select whatever you want. Okay, so that is it for this video. Please kindly give us a like if this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and God bless you.